back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine Denise, and I am back for another video for you all today. So I am very excited for today's video because we are going to be making a shirt. So the thing is, we're going to be using the Siser StripeFlock Pro vinyl, but we're going to give it the illusion that we have layered bubble text within our design. That you're going to need in today's video, t-shirt. So basically we're going to have my white Gildan cotton t-shirt, and this is what I'm going to put my design on today. Next, I'll need my lint roller because when I go to pre-press my shirt and get the moisture out, I do like to go ahead and lint roll it to make sure it is clear from anything. And then we're going to use our Siser StripeFlock Pro HTV. Such a tongue twister to say that. See, can you say that really fast? StripeFlock Pro HTV. StripeFlock Pro HTV. It's a tongue twister. So if you're interested on how to use the StripeFlock Pro, how long do you press it? How does it work? Is it a hot peel? Is it a cold peel? Look no further, continue watching this video and I will show you step-by-step process on how to complete that. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, so come on, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go over to Design Space. Let's pick out our design and let's get our shirt created. All right, so I'm at my computer and I've opened up Cricut Design Space. So let's go ahead and open up a design. So I'm going to upload. Let's browse and see where I saved it. Let's grab this one. We're going to cut the image. We don't need the print then cut because we're doing our vinyl, so we're strictly going to cut this vinyl. Find our design. We're going to add it to our canvas. So let me readjust my camera so you all can see. Okay, so you have your design here. You can resize it, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, whatever works for you. For my operation, we're gonna have a basic cut, which is already selected. Next, you're going to select Make It. Your basic cut settings here. So you're gonna have your material load type, which is on matte, and then you're gonna have your material size for a 12 by 12. Now always remember that you want to mirror your image, because if not, your design's gonna come out reverse and you don't want that to happen. All right, so next we're going to select Continue. Let me go ahead and connect my Cricut to my computer. I will be using my Cricut Explorer 3. All right, so we just had our design in Design Space. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and open up our StripeFlock Pro HTV, and we're going to go ahead and put it on our Cricut cutting mat. I'll be using a 12 by 12 cutting mat for today. And then this vinyl is thicker. The one thing that I do like to apply it down with is frog tape, because you don't want to use the strong grip mat, but the light grip mat is too light to hold it down. And then I feel like when I use this green mat, it doesn't always hold it down because this vinyl is thicker. So for my personal preference, I personally like to hold the vinyl down with my frog tape. And that way I can make sure it doesn't move anywhere once I do put it in my Cricut Explorer 3. So we're just going to apply it here. I have my Cricut rotary, so I just push the button, or you can, just press the button. Blade is protected, slide down, blade is revealed. And then we're going to cut the excess vinyl. And so now I'm just gonna take a little additional frog tape and we're gonna go ahead and so as you can see here, we just put our Siser StripeFlock Pro vinyl on our cutting mat. So you do see the green frog tape that I have on here. I personally feel like it holds it better and keeps it in place while cutting in the machine. I like it. You can also give it a try as well. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is go to our Cricut Explorer 3 to cut out our design. And then we're also gonna preheat our press machine. So I'll be using my HTV Ront. Let's go ahead and preheat it to 320 degrees and let's get this thing going. So we are going to go ahead and cut out our vinyl. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut out our mat. On Design Space, I do like to use everyday iron-on, and then I am going to use more pressure. Now, while this is cutting out, let me do this up because it is gonna go back. So while this is cutting, we can go ahead and preheat our heat press to 320 degrees. Alright, so while that's printing, this is heating up, we can go ahead and prep our shirt. That way we can go ahead and get the moisture out and the pressure. We have our design that came out, and now what we're going to do is go ahead and cut our vinyl. With the StripeFlock Pro vinyl, you do have to pull and put a little bit of pressure when pulling this vinyl because it is thicker. So as you can see, as I'm pulling it off, it does look like the suede type of feel on that side, but I'll show you more once I get all of the vinyl off. Alright, so I finished cutting out my design. Cut out my design and then I ended up separating the two. It was kind of hard to see with my flash. Okay, hopefully I can see it now, but you'll see like the borders of the vinyl. So like the borders would be the color of the shirt. So it's kind of going to give it that layered look without me actually layering any of the vinyl. And then this is what the bottom of the vinyl looks like. It'll all make sense once we put it on our shirt. We've already preheated our press machine to 320 degrees. So let's go and press our shirt. Okay, so we've already preheated our shirt and got our moisture out. So just a reminder, whenever we are pressing this, we are going to press our design for 320, and then this will also be a cold peel. So I typically like to go 3 fingers down from the neckline so it's not too close. And we're going to put our design. All right, so now we're gonna let our t-shirt cool off. I'm gonna go lay it down. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes or so and our design has cooled off. So let's go ahead and peel and see what our design looks like. So sometimes when you're peeling the StripeFlock Pro HTV, it's gonna feel like the vinyl's gonna fall off, but trust me, it's not gonna fall off. The same way you had to do pressure when we were weeding out our design is the same pressure that you're gonna have whenever you're peeling your design to reveal it. And that's only because it's a thicker vinyl. But I promise you, your vinyl isn't going anywhere. I remember the first time that I pulled my HTV, I was like, is this StripeFlock Pro gonna come off? But, you know, with practice and just working with this vinyl a lot, it's not going anywhere. Ooh, it looks really good. It looks really good. All right, let me show you all what it looks like. The design came out so good. It came out really good. You already know what I'm gonna say. I absolutely like how it turned out. It looks really good. But as you can see, this is the design and how it looks. Success starts with your mindset. Always remember that. If you start your day with a positive mindset, it's gonna stick with you and you are going to be very successful. But this is exactly what it looks like. It stretches good. It also has this nice feel to it. So if you haven't used the StripeFlock Pro vinyl before, it has like this vinyl, like a suede type texture to it, and it feels really good. It gives it that pop. Now look at the success. Let me see if you can see. So in the success, you can see how the letters are outlined. And with that outline, I didn't even have to double layer this vinyl because the way I cut it, it allowed me to cut out the white behind it. So with 4, it came out perfect. All right, let me show you a close-up of how it looks. But you guys, this shirt came out great. I love exactly how it looks. It feels really good. It feels nice. Another success for the books. But if you've tried this, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave those down below in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help you through your process. If you've tried it, let me know. If it worked, let me know. But that is today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.